based on actual events as recorded in the Book of Mormon, another testament of Jesus Christ.
Sariah, the Lord hath spoken unto me. It is not me to take my family into the wilderness alone, but that my sons should take daughters to wife, that they might raise up seed unto the Lord in the land of promise.
I will gather our sons, and as a family, we can thank the Lord for answering my prayers as well.
And we shall take daughters to wife, that we might raise up children unto the Lord in the land of promise. Yes, but a wife and a family.
Ishmael!
Oh, Layman. Did not expect to ever see you again. Well, Lehi and Sariah.
Ishmael, our father sends us with the message. We must speak with you.
Of course. Come, sit.
We doubted our father's vision for a time, but in our journey to get the plates, we saw an angel.
As bright as the sun at noonday in the cave where we stood. Our father was shown that Jerusalem will be destroyed, that many shall perish by the sword, and many more carried away captive into Babylon.
The Lord desires that the house of Ishmael join with the house of Lehi in the wilderness,
to journey to a land of promise that he has prepared for us.
The Lord wishes that I and my family go with Lehi and his family into the wilderness.
Yes.
We know that Lehi is a faithful man. Do we not also believe what he has taught in the words of all the prophets?
Father Ishmael, our two families are a branch of the house of Israel. The Lord desires that our families unite, that we might inherit the land of promise.
Come with us.
Let us ask the Lord.